Before your long-distance move, there are things you cannot put on our truck. And if you pack them anyway, it could cost you thousands of dollars, delay your entire move, or worse, put your movers in danger. Don't learn this the hard way. If you're new here, we're National Van Lines, one of the most trusted names in long-distance and interstate moving. We've been helping families move across the country for decades. And today we're sharing insider knowledge that every single customer needs to hear before moving day. Before we dive in, smash that like button, drop a comment telling us where you're moving to, and hit subscribe so you never miss a moving tip. Okay, you've booked your long-distance move, your boxes are stacked, and you're ready to go. But here's what our professional movers cannot and will not transport. Let's break it down. No pets. First up, and I cannot stress this enough, your pets cannot ride on the moving truck. This isn't just a policy, it's about their safety. Long-haul interstate moving trucks can reach extreme temperatures, and your furry family members need to travel with you. Book them a spot in your car or look into pet transport services, but they are not cargo. They're family. No plants. Love your house plants? So do we, but plants are tricky during long-distance moves. Many states have strict regulations on transporting certain plants across state lines to prevent the spread of pests and diseases. Plus, plants don't survive well in the back of a dark truck for days. Our recommendation? Gift them to a neighbor, ship them separately, or check your destination state's agricultural guidelines. No propane tanks. Planning to bring your barbecue grill? Great, but leave the propane tank behind. Propane is a flammable, pressurized gas, and transporting it on an interstate moving truck is a federal hazard. This goes for any other compressed gas canisters too. Dispose of them properly before your move. Your local waste facility can help. No gas in your motorcycle. Shipping your motorcycle with us? Amazing! We do that. But here's the deal. Your gas tank must be completely empty before we load it. Even a small amount of fuel is a fire hazard during transport. Drain it in advance, and we'll take care of the rest. No open food. Moving is the perfect time to clean out your pantry, but open food cannot make the trip. Unsealed food attracts pests, can spill, spoil, or create odors that contaminate your other belongings over a multi-day long-distance haul. Eat it, donate it, or toss it. Sealed, non-perishable pantry items in original packaging? Those are usually fine, but ask your coordinator. No liquids. This one surprises a lot of people. Liquids, cleaning products, toiletries, oils, paints, cannot be packed in our moving trucks. Temperature changes during interstate moving can cause containers to expand and leak, ruining your belongings and potentially damaging the truck. Our pro tip? Use your liquids up before the move or transport them in your personal vehicle in sealed bags. Moving long distance is a big deal, and we want yours to go absolutely perfectly. At National Van Lines, we've been making coast-to-coast moves smooth, safe, and stress-free for nearly 100 years. Ready to get started? Click the link in the description to get your free quote today, or call us directly. Whether you're doing a cross-country move, an interstate relocation, or moving your entire household across state lines, we've got you covered. And hey, drop a comment below with any questions about what you can and can't pack. We read every single one. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Happy moving!